Hello. What did we just do?
We just got a Lucky Box from a machine mall.
Alright, we're gonna open it and see what it is. That's what we just got. Lucky Box. Yeah, I think it opens that way. Alright, face down. It is a 2023 Shiny Treasure EX Charmeleon Japanese. Wow. That's crazy.
That's the second stage.
Yeah, that's the second stage.
First stage is Charmeleon.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Alright, we're gonna drop that. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
We're out.